Did you know that implementing crop rotation can boost your vegetable yields by up to 30%? For home gardeners and homemakers aiming to maximize their harvests, understanding and applying crop rotation is a game changer. This time-tested practice not only enhances productivity, but also promotes sustainable gardening by improving soil health and reducing pest issues. Understanding crop rotation. Crop rotation involves changing the type of crops grown in a particular area each season. This method prevents the depletion of specific soil nutrients and disrupts the life cycles of pests and diseases. By rotating crops, gardeners can maintain a balanced ecosystem in their gardens, leading to healthier plants and higher yields. Common challenges in home gardening. Many gardeners face issues such as soil depletion. Repeatedly planting the same crop in the same spot can exhaust the soil of specific nutrients, leading to poor plant growth. Pest buildup. Pests that favor certain crops can become established in the soil, causing recurring infestations. Disease accumulation. Soil-borne diseases can persist and intensify when the same crops are grown continuously. These challenges can significantly hinder vegetable growth and productivity. Principles of crop rotation. Implementing crop rotation effectively involves understanding the needs and characteristics of different plant families. Legumes, e.g. beans, peas, these plants enrich the soil by fixing nitrogen, benefiting subsequent crops. Leafy greens, e.g. lettuce, spinach, moderate feeders that can follow legumes to utilize the added nitrogen. Fruiting vegetables, example, tomatoes, peppers, heavy feeders that require nutrient-rich soil. Root crops, example, carrots, beets, benefit from the soil structure left by previous crops and help break up soil compaction. A typical rotation sequence might be legumes, leafy greens, fruiting vegetables, root crops. Benefits of crop rotation. Enhance soil fertility. Different crops utilize and replenish various nutrients, maintaining soil balance. Pest and disease control. Rotating crops interrupts the life cycles of pests and diseases, reducing their prevalence. Improved soil structure. Varied root systems contribute to better soil aeration and structure. Increased yields. Healthier soil and reduced pest pressures lead to more robust plant growth and higher harvests. Case study: successful crop rotation implementation. Consider a home gardener who implemented a 4-year crop rotation plan. Year 1, planted legumes to fix nitrogen in the soil. Year 2, followed with leafy greens that benefited from the increased nitrogen. Year 3, introduced fruiting vegetables utilizing the nutrient-rich soil. Year 4, planted root crops which improved soil structure. This rotation not only improved soil health, but also led to a noticeable increase in vegetable yields over the 4-year period. Implementing crop rotation in your garden. To apply crop rotation, plan your garden layout. Divide your garden into sections based on the number of crop groups you plan to rotate. Group plants by family. Understand which vegetables belong to the same family to avoid planting them in the same spot consecutively. Keep records. Maintain a garden journal to track what was planted where each year. Be flexible. Adjust your rotation plan based on observations and specific garden needs. Conclusion: embrace crop rotation for a thriving garden. Crop rotation is a simple yet powerful tool for any home gardener. By understanding and applying its principles, you can overcome common gardening challenges, enhance soil health, and significantly increase your vegetable yields. Start planning your crop rotation today and reap the benefits of a more productive and sustainable garden.